Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a video with shake and bounce effect on CapCut. So here you just need to add the clips that you want to edit, and first click on the transition box in between the clips and then find the pulse transition that can be found under the distortion tab. Set it all the way, click on the check icon, then click on the second clip, go to animation. Under the in category, select the cross shake animation and set it for a full like this. Click on the check icon. Lastly, go to the video effect, click on the nightclub category and then find the flash bounce effect. Click on the check icon and set it for all of the clips. Then you are done, and this is the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.